In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Bluebeam Markups. If you need a clean report of all the notes, measurements, and callouts on your drawing, Bluebeam Revu can compile them into a tidy summary you can share or analyze. Exporting your markups is perfect for coordination meetings, progress tracking, or handing off data to a spreadsheet or another system. Let's walk through it from start to finish. First, open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Make sure you're working with the file that actually contains the markups you want to report. As you review the page, remember that the markup summary pulls its information from the markups present in the document, so what you see in the markups list will be reflected in the output. Next, go to the top menu and choose File, then Export and select Markups Summary. This command tells Revu to compile the information from your annotations into a dedicated report rather than exporting the whole PDF. It's a specialized export that focuses solely on the data behind your markups. When the dialog appears, choose the format that fits your purpose, CSV, PDF, or XML. CSV is great if you plan to open the results in Excel or another spreadsheet to sort, filter, or create charts. PDF is ideal when you want a fixed, shareable report that looks consistent for everyone. XML is useful if you're feeding the markup data into another application or an automated workflow. Pick the one that matches how you intend to use the information. Before you finalize, select the options you need. You can include comments so that notes and discussions appear in the summary alongside the core markup details. You can also filter by date, which is helpful for weekly updates or isolating changes made during a specific review window. Set these choices carefully so the output shows only what your audience needs, and double check that the date range and comment setting align with your goal. Finally, click OK and choose where to save the file. Give it a clear name that indicates the project, sheet, and date, and save it to a location your team expects. Revu will generate the summary in the format you selected and place it in that folder. That's all there is to it. Your markup data is now exported and ready to share, analyze, or archive. If you repeat this process regularly, using consistent names and locations will make tracking changes over time much easier.